What if I told you you can get 1080p, 300 lumens of brightness, 100 inches of projection, and Harman Kardon speakers, all in one tiny little package? Like this.
Oi, I was watching that. I want to know what happens in Okinawa.
Never mind, I watched already, I tell you. So basically he met his girlfriend.
Lah, weh.
And then Chosen came.
Senyap lah, weh.
And then Chosen teach him.
Cobra Kai. Strike first. Strike hard. No mercy!
Finish him.
Today, we are going to be reviewing this Viewsonic M1 G2 Portable Cinema Projector. Let's face it, because of the current situation, we're all spending a lot more time at home. And your girlfriend or wife, whichever is halal, suddenly starts complaining that your 24-inch monitor or even 55-inch TV is too small, no longer good enough. By the way, 55 inches is perfectly normal, so don't be discouraged, okay? Jokes aside, it's not about the size, it's how you use it, that's what she said. Today we're going to be reviewing this Viewsonic M1 G2 Portable Cinema Projector to see if you can actually tap out and take away the cinema and put it into your pocket.
Huh? Can fit man in your pocket.
I'm the bangsawan ma, my pockets are deep. Why cannot your mother? Should have told you about that. This Viewsonic M1 G2 is priced at 1,549 ringgit or just under $400 US. Moving on to the aesthetics, this projector is actually pretty small and looks quite sleek. With its plastic and aluminum construction, it looks more like a fancy external hard drive than your usual plain Jane projector. The chassis that houses the projector has a gunmetal aluminum speaker grille on top, which wraps around one of the sides and a Harman Kardon logo on the bottom right corner. This is mirrored by a plastic gunmetal bottom with a similar dotted pattern and also a 1/4-inch screw hole in case you want to mount it to the ceiling, on a light stand, or even a tripod. There is a removable panel where the plastic meets metal, and it can be opened by pulling the red fabric tab, which reveals the I/O ports. They've even printed labels on the inside of the panel in white so you can read them in the dark. Pretty clever. Right above it is also where you'll find the focus wheel. The other sides are clad in a smooth silver plastic that has a matte finish with heat vents on the right and at the back. At the front, you'll find the projector lens, an IR receiver, and a tiny Viewsonic logo printed in black. At the back and to the left side, you'll find 4 buttons, which are the illuminated on, off, or enter button, the volume controls, and a back button. There are also battery indicator lights that shine in white and another infrared receiver here, so you can use a controller from both ends. Pretty handy. The projector also comes with an adjustable foot that allows you to rotate it 360 degrees, so you can point it to the window, to the wall. You can even watch a movie on the floor. Turn down for what? In terms of dimensions, this projector is 151mm tall, 126mm wide, and 40mm thick. It also only weighs 700 grams, so you can fit it into your handbag, your backpack, and just take it wherever you go. Now let's check out the specifications of this projector, and for the full rundown of the specs, do check out the article on our website. Okay, TLDR, the M1 G2 has a max resolution of 1080p in a 16:9 aspect ratio, a max brightness of 300 lumens with 4 adjustable brightness settings or light source levels being full, Eco, Extended Eco, and battery saving. We find that Eco and Extended Eco being a sweet spot for most situations. Unless your room is a little bit brighter, then you should just turn it up to full. The colors and contrast is pretty good, and the 1080p resolution makes this perfect for movies, Netflix, and more. Gaming is not the greatest here since there's a stated 41.5 millisecond input lag, but casual gaming should be just fine. One thing to note is that no matter if it's plugged in or running with the built-in 12,000 mAh battery, which lasts about 2 to 3 hours on eco mode and about 5 to 6 hours in battery saving, you still get access to all the brightness settings, and that is extremely flexible in use. You can, for instance, turn it up to full and use it in a brighter room like your kitchen to watch a cooking tutorial for an hour or so, or dim it down with the battery saving mode to extend your battery life even further and binge a couple more episodes of The Witcher before heading to bed. Whatever floats your boat. The M1 Plus G2 has a throw ratio of 1.2 and projects an image ranging from 24 inches to 100 inches. It can achieve the full 100 inches at just 2.6 meters from the surface and even get a 38-inch image with just 1 meter. I think this qualifies the M1 Plus G2 as a short throw projector, which is pretty handy to have in tighter spaces. There's also the auto keystone feature which helps you set the image straight vertically but not horizontally, and a fixed zoom ratio, so you have to move it around to get it just right. For audio, there's a pair of 3-watt Harman Kardon speakers that is pretty loud and sounds surprisingly great for its size. The projector also comes with 16GB of internal storage with only 12GB available for use. This storage is used to install additional apps which are downloadable via the built-in Aptoide app store. Some apps like Netflix and YouTube came pre-installed already and is ready to use. The projector's interface is intuitive and easy to understand with large icons and customizable virtual buttons that you can map to all your favorite apps. It is also easy to navigate with the controller with very responsive buttons, which I like. However, it's a little bit longer than I'd prefer, so I suggest that you use the V Remote app for increased portability. Speaking of, it also comes with a nifty felt bag to keep your controller safe and sound as you carry it around. See, it rhymes. So this projector comes with Wi-Fi and even Bluetooth 4.2, and the Bluetooth is here to turn it into a Bluetooth Harman Kardon speaker. If you have unstable Wi-Fi in the kampong, or you just want to watch very high quality fidelity videos with gigantic files, you can store your favorite TV show or movie that you lawfully obtained, I'm looking at you pirates, into a USB drive or even a micro SD card, because this thing has a built-in card reader. Siao, right? Walao, this way you won't have to lie on the ever annoying "why you not yet married" question. Oi, why you not yet married? In success, 恭喜發財 auntie， 紅包攞來，嚟啦，喂紅包呢? Here are the I/O ports and some scenarios on how they would be useful. Number 1. Productivity. If you're studying, attending online classes, or even working from home on your laptop or PC, but your eyes are small like mine so you cannot see properly, who write one this script, you can connect the M1 Plus G2 via HDMI or USB Type-C to either mirror your device or have a larger secondary screen. Just make sure that you don't go through tulang minimize your class and watch YouTube videos, huh? I'm talking about you, Jason. But if it's mob house videos, then it's okay. That one I support. Hashtag kita jaga kita. Number 2. Social settings, or forever alone use. But not the haram kind, huh? When you're done with classes or work or whatever it is that you do to keep on hustling, this is also perfect for parties and social gatherings of any kind. Not that you can do it now lah. Also, if you don't want to deal with cables because cables are so 2009, you can use the Wi-Fi to mirror your smartphone or laptop. Some more, you can even plug in a Chromecast to the HDMI port to easily stream directly from your devices. And for those who don't have friends, never mind. Abam Shane will payong you. Just come hang out at our Mob House page. And leave a comment down below and I'll try to read that in the next video. Number 3. Exercise. Are you trying to impress that girl or guy that you just met on Tinder during quarantine? And while you now cannot go and hit that because it's haram, you can definitely hit those HITT workout tutorials to get the ball rolling. And by ball, I mean you. It's okay, us bulat kids, we rock and roll. Number 4. Eating. Now that stuffing delicious food into your mouth is no longer satisfactory, so having a meal alone can be quite sad lah. It's okay. You can now pull up your favorite mukbang streamer to teman you while you eat. You can also do it on your phone. But when you do it on a phone, her face so small, right? Not like that to teman you. You put it on a projector, her face same size as yours. So you are face to face, get it? Or you can just pop out Dr. Pimple Popper to help you diet. If you can still eat, then you're just disgusting. You're disgusting. Okay, Shane, what is your view on this Viewsonic projector? Okay, fine. Let's start with the pros first. There's a lot of pros. What about the Finally, we have the cons. So in a projector shell, see what I did there? I think that this Viewsonic M1 G2 is pretty impressive. In such a tiny package, they managed to fit in 1080p, 300 lumens of brightness that is also adjustable, good colors and contrast, a great ergonomics, okay, decent battery life, great Harman Kardon audio quality. So I give it a very solid, very compact 8.5 out of 10. Okay, if the controller and the brick was smaller, or the pouch that they give you is bigger and everything everything can fit into a good package, then I give it a 9 out of 10. But you know what? I have to judge the entire product, not just by this thing itself. And that's all, folks. Don't go first because I'm going to read your comments next. If you like this video, don't forget to like and share. Leave a comment down below. Let us know what you think about this projector or portable projectors in general. Are they just a gimmick, or are they something you would actually consider? I personally think that this is a very good buy at this price point. So yeah, go and buy one. And if you do, please tag me in your photo where you brag about this, because I want to share your joy.
So bright.
Yeah, brighter than your future. So, comments time! So this comment section is very special because Chinese New Year is coming, so I feel a little bit generous. I'm gonna read a few comments from a few recent videos that we posted, but I didn't have time to reply to you yet. Okay, firstly, the Xiaomi Mi Watch Lite review on YouTube. Nasrik, he said, love the way he presented. Full star away. Thank you very much, bro. These videos made me buy, so convincing. I know, I can convince a cow to buy a chicken. That's what my mother said. Milan Zivkovic say, dude, you made me laugh so hard. Thank you for the review. I'm glad I made you hard, bro. Tim Brass said, I bought one and I love it. Good for walking. Compass, altimeter, feedback at 1 km intervals, shows route on phone map, step count, waterproof. Oh, wow, you list all this feature. I don't review already, lor. People just read your comment. No, I can. Thanks for the comment, bro. Lol, popping your Xiaomi with Xiaomi. Good one. Because it's a Chinese joke. We love our rice, but not when you rinse it with coriander. Next, we have the Honor Magic Book Pro review. Mr. Cox say, hey bro, productions is smooth. Loved your video. Thank you, bro. I love your smoothness in your comment. Yerki Vlas say, wow, I don't know Shen can sing. Some more Malay song lagi. By the way, I'm getting this laptop for my wife as a surprise gift. Of course I can sing Malay, bro. I am Malaysian. Can it run Adobe Illustrator efficiently? Adobe Illustrator should be fine, depending on how big your file, what resolution, how many items you put inside. I think it should be okay. Hope they launch in India because the previous Honor Magic Book was a banger. Of course, this is gonna be a rager. So time for me to give you some face on Facebook. Also, thank you for tagging me the other day when MGAG featured my comment. First comment on this Honor Magic Book video again on Facebook. Ahmad Ramzi said, can you recommend me a laptop that can be used for gaming and working with mid-range price? Mid-range, I assume, is 4,000 plus, like that, 5,000. I would say Nitro 5, Acer Nitro 5 is a good option. Go for the Ryzen processors, of course. Now it's Team Red. Legion 5, I think. And Asus TUF is also okay. Is their higher end one where the cooling is slightly problematic, but the mid-range they are okay also. Yeah. Shafiq Ismail tanya, laptop ini sesuai untuk editing video? Bukan heavy editing. Editing yang simple boleh 1080p. Bukan 4K 4K memang. Kalau tidak, kau mesti macam buat proxy dulu lah. I want to ask something to Brother Sian Tan. Why laptop and other accessories laptops are more expensive when PKP is coming? Okay, here is the issue. There's a global shortage now because of the current situation. You have things like materials shortage, you have things like increasing logistic costs because they have to do a lot more procedures and they cannot work at a full capacity, so things are going up in prices. So it's not just about PKP, there's a global issue on this. Laptop lah, graphic card is because of mining lah, you can thank them for that. It's not just mining. Okay, I say mining because mining gets the price up. The demand is already more than supply as it is, but mining made it so much worse. So there's that. Zanny Loop say, seriously leh, you can sing dude? Well, I'm in shock. I'm also very shocked. Shocked sendiri. So Jonathan Sito said, you gonna review any 30 series laptops? Yeah, if the miners don't go and snatch them all out first lah, then maybe. Yes, I think I will probably be reviewing some laptops with the 30 series lah. But I don't know if you can manage to buy it lah. No, shortage everywhere. And that's it. Leave more comments so I can keep on replying to you guys. Thank you for all your lovely comments. You make me feel very happy inside. To all our Chinese viewers, 恭喜发财, 红包拿来. And to my non-Chinese fans and friends and everything, have a good holiday. Rest well. This year don't have ting ting tong tong to kacau you already because we cannot ting ting tong tong. So at least you can enjoy the peace. But admit it lah, I know you like to watch the Tok Tok Chang Man. I'll see you in the next one.